Hello everyone, what's up? In today's video we will see how easy it is to apply decals on your models with a relatively obscure product, Tamiya Mark Fit Strong. Whether you are a wargamer or a scale modeler, if you want to learn more about weathering, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. So what's so special about Tamiya Mark Fit Strong, I hear you ask? Well, for starters, it's a single product that replaces what in almost all other brands is two separate solutions, one to fix the decal and one to set it. This does both things, and it does them better than any other product I've tried, and I've tried several. But enough talk, let's demonstrate. As I'm sure you already know, regardless of which decal solution you go for, it's always better to apply a coat of gloss varnish first, unless your base coat itself is glossy. After your varnish is dry, shake your Tamiya Mark Fit Strong bottle and use your applicator brush, another advantage of this solution by the way, to apply a moderate amount on the surface. Do not flood it, and then let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes. Now it's time to get your decal wet and use the applicator brush to transfer it from its backing paper to the intended surface. Once it's there, seal it with some more Mark Fit Strong. And then get your cotton bud and use its tip to carefully reposition the decal as needed, and after this let it dry for a couple of minutes. Next, use your cotton bud with a gentle dabbing motion to get rid of any bubbles or excess of product. I then like to finish by rolling the cotton bud over the area. Here you can see how I applied the product a second time, letting it dry and working it with the cotton bud one last time. This is entirely optional and will depend on what kind of surface it is and how thick the decals are. Since now it's time for the other side of the turret, let me repeat the process, but this time step by step. So step 1, we apply Tamiya Mark Fit Strong to the surface and let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes. Step 2, we transfer the decal to the surface and apply some solution over it. Step 3. Reposition the decal with a cotton bud. Step 4. Leave to dry for 2 to 5 minutes. Step 5. Lightly dab the decal and the surrounding area with a cotton bud. And Step 6. Apply more and repeat steps 4 and 5 as needed. So guys, I'm quite happy with the results, particularly given the fact that I got so carried away with the idea of the pin wash last week that I totally forgot to apply the decals first. Needless to say, don't do this at home! So next week I'll be back with yet another installment in this Leman Russ Battle TanK saga. In the meantime, if you want to know how to apply camo with the airbrush, click on the video on the left. And if you want to learn more about pin washing, check out the one on the right. Thank you all, and remember, keep it up and weather it out.